Hello everyone and welcome to my poster presentation Less is More, where we discuss a self-supervised learning approach for fast MRI reconstruction. I'm Amrit from IIT Madras. MRI is collected in frequency domain called K-space. However, an MRI scan is a time-taking process which can be up to 1 hour. To speed up the scans, partial K-space is acquired, which causes artifacts in the image. Thus, undersampling results in loss of fine details. To solve this problem, deep learning-based convolution neural networks are used. These networks learn useful representation from thousands of images to produce high-quality reconstructions. But these networks are data hungry. Large volumes of fully sampled and undersampled data is required to train these networks. In medical imaging, it is difficult to obtain data for reasons such as patient privacy issues and lack of proper healthcare facilities. But if we look closely, given a few fully sampled data, large volumes of undersampled data can be generated using the different undersampling masks, such as Cartesian, Poisson, and Gaussian. This idea brings us to self-supervised learning. Self-supervised learning is a machine learning strategy that enables networks to learn the features when the labeled data is limited. This works in two steps: pretext task and downstream task. In the pretext learning stage, auxiliary tasks are designed from unlabeled data itself. While performing the pretext task, the network learns the features, which helps in better weight initialization. Once the network is pre-trained, it is transferred to the downstream task, where it is fine-tuned with a limited labeled dataset. Now coming to our problem of MR reconstruction, we are working on three pretext tasks. In the first, which we call autoencoder, we feed the network with the input from all the coils and it is trained to output the combined image, i.e. the model learns the root sum of squares or RSS of the different coil images. The second one is similar to the first, but here we drop one of the coils and the network utilizes the information available in rest of the coils to generate the RSS image. In the third pretext task, the network is trained to predict the angle of rotation of the undersampled image. For experimentation, we simulated a situation where we have fully sampled data for only 10% of the undersampled data to fine-tune the model. We compared the performance of pre-trained models with models trained from scratch with only 10% of the fully sampled data. We found that pre-trained networks perform better than networks which are trained from scratch. All our experiments are performed on the Calgary-Campinas public brain MR dataset. Qualitative and quantitatively also, pre-training shows satisfactory results. Our initial experiments demonstrated that MRI reconstruction can be improved with pre-training. With less data, higher metric values are obtained. Undeniably, less is more. That's all in my presentation. Thank you all for your patient hearing.